Hi guys, welcome to another episode of one of these camera demos I'm making. Today we're going to be talking about white balance and white balance settings on this 700D. I am in manual mode, so you might want to put it in manual mode. And I've got my flash up, but it's not going to make any difference really. And I am in sort of manual mode. So yeah, so what I need to do is click on the Q button, click on my white balance. Okay, so if I just quickly show you that again. Click on the Q button. So the Q button is quite an important button. Click on white balance, and then you can choose the white balance settings you want on your scene. So if I click back on that, you've got auto, and like if you're shooting outdoors, you probably could leave it on auto to be honest. But if you're indoors, maybe you're shooting in a studio setting, then a lot of photographers, studio photographers shall I say, will probably advise you to maybe have a little play with your auto balance to get the right temperature in terms of the white balance setting. So if I just click on Q, this one's touchscreen, so you can literally just sort of hover through it. You can see when I click on each one, so if I was putting shade, it turns more of a warmer colour, shadow, fluorescent, tungsten light. So if that was an indoor shot, you can see it's quite got blue. These are quite useful if you want to create maybe if you're filming a scene and you want your shots to have maybe a really blue tone, or you want a warm tone. Then maybe you can play around your white balance to get different sort of color ratios within your scene. Okay, so if I press Q again, white balance, so if I click on this one here, you can see that it changes. So if I have the flash on, for example, it would work with the flash. Custom, you can customize it as well. So yeah, white balance, just all you do is you click on your Q button and you go through the settings to select the right white balance you would like for your shot. And here's some images that I have taken just to give you an indication of how it's going to look. Yep, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video in regards to camera features on the 700Ds that I'm currently making. Thanks guys for watching. Appreciate your time and effort watching my videos. Thanks guys. Bye.